Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Tasneem Shahani and welcome to Tasneem's Tadka's 7th episode. Today we'll be preparing a very auspicious and traditional Parsi dish called Patrani Macchi. Patrani Macchi in simple terms means fish which is steamed in banana leaf. And Patrani Macchi is generally prepared in a Parsi household or in the Parsi community for any auspicious occasion, be it a wedding or be it a navjot. So now let's look at the ingredients. Banana leaf, or if you don't have access to banana leaf, you can even use a silver foil. Then we have the green chutney, and the ingredients for the green chutney are fresh coriander, fresh mint, coconut, cumin seeds, salt, green chillies, a little bit of sugar, ginger paste, garlic paste, and tamarind or imli. Traditionally, Patrani Macchi is made with pomfret, but in case you do not have access to pomfret, you can even take any fish fillet. Today I have taken basa and I have already folded a few pieces in banana leaves and foil. So guys, let's start with the actual preparation. I've already marinated the fish with a little bit of salt and ginger garlic paste. Next step would be to take a little bit of the mint chutney and coat it with the chutney. You can make the chutney spicy or you can make it medium, it all depends on your taste. Well, the next step would be to wrap it up. Just take any thread and just wrap it up so that the leaf doesn't open. The other one is on a piece of foil. You just have to make sure that it is wrapped nice and tight so that the fish, when it's being steamed, the chutney doesn't come off. Yes, even this is done. As I was wrapping the fish, I had already switched on the gas for the water to get steamed. Now for people in Nepal, you can always use the momo utensil, which is easily available in each and every household. And for people in Bombay or in India or anywhere else, can use the idli utensil. So you can steam in either of them. So let's start putting the fish inside. As you can see, the water is really hot. Let's place this inside. Keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. We generally use a banana leaf for the Patrani Macchi because it helps in retaining the freshness, the aroma, and it adds to the flavor of the fish. It's been steaming for nearly 15 minutes, so let's check whether the fish is done. Is ready, it's soft, there's an amazing aroma. Let's open the foil. So guys, your Patrani Macchi is absolutely ready to eat. So enjoy the Patrani Macchi as it is, or with an accompaniment of dal, rice, chapatis, parathas. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tasneem's Tadka. And yes, I've been getting a lot of different requests, so do send me your requests and we'll see how we can help you guys.